Hi friends, today we are going to see multiplying three numbers close to 100 mentally, and we are also going to see the logic behind it, how we are able to do it. So let's take three numbers first and let's do a multiplication of them. So we have 108 multiplied by 104 and let's say 105. So you want to multiply these three numbers. So here, as you know, the base is, tell me, 100. So, if you see 108 is 8 more than 100, 104 is 4 more than 100, and 105 is 5 more than 100. So, we are going to get the answer in three parts here. So, for the first part, the rightmost part, we are going to multiply all of these of 3. So, 8 into 4 into 5. So, 8 4s are 32. 32 into 5 is 160. So, I'll put 60 here and 1 is a carry because the base was 100 which had two zeros. So I can only put two digits here. One is to be carried over. Sorry. So for the middle part of the answer now, what we are going to do is we are going to take them one by one. Two at a time. Sorry, we have taken all three of them together. Now we are going to take two of them at a time. So 8 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus 8 into 5. So 8 5 is 40. 40 plus 4 5 is 20. 80 plus 20 is 60. 60 plus 8 4 is 32. 60 plus 32 is 92. 92 plus this carry 1 is 93. So since we have only two digits here, we have put that 93 as is. Okay. So for the first part of the answer, what we are going to do is we are going to use 100 and we are going to add all three of them. 100A plus B plus C. So if you see here, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, 100 plus 17 is 117. So this is our answer. Okay, and you can check it like using your calculator as well, you will get the same answer. But why is it working? So let's see the logic behind it. So again, we are going to use algebra here to understand why this is working. So let's say 100 plus A, 100 plus B, and 100 plus C. So if we want to open it, it becomes, let's open these two first. So it becomes 100 into 100, that is 100 square, into 100A plus 100B plus AB. And the third part remains as is, 100 plus C. So now let's open these brackets as well. So 100 square into 100 becomes 100 cube plus 100 square. So this term and this becomes 100 square A. Similarly, it becomes 100 square B. And then it becomes 100 AB. Similarly, if I see, it becomes 100 AC for this term. If I take them along with this, so it becomes 100 AC plus 100 BC plus A, B and C. Okay, so now what we are going to see here is, and I have missed one thing here. So if using this C, I have to multiply this as well. So it becomes 100 square C. So if we see it here now, it becomes 100 cube plus 100 square. I'll take the 100 square as common. So it becomes A plus B plus C. So all of these terms are handled. Now let's take 100 as common. So it becomes AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, and the last part remains is ABC, so which is here. So if you see here, what has happened is we have got this ABC which we have put at the end, and as I said, we can use only two digits because this number is multiplied with 100, right? So we have only two zeros or two digits to fill in from ABC. In case there are three, one has to be, the third digit has to be carried forward to. Okay, and let's see one more thing here. So let's take 100 square common from here. So it becomes 100 my mistake, it becomes 100 plus A plus B plus C plus 100 AB plus BC plus CA plus ABC. So from here you can see the whole thing. So ABC is the last part of the answer, which is coming because of these two zeros. Now if you see, this part is going to have 4 zeros because we have 100 square along with it. So out of these 4 zeros, we are going to get the last two digits from here. So these two will get filled up from here, right? Because of this 100 as well, right? Now the remaining two will get filled up from here, right? And other than that, whatever is the addition of these will come here. And that's what we have done here as well. If you see here, we have added 100 plus A plus B plus C, and we have put it at the leftmost part of the answer. So hope you understood the question and the reason behind it, the logic behind it. Hope please like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting videos like this. Thank you.